Ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM ringkat pa Ri-Bhoi College Nongpo kin Pynlong ya ka Khelo India Samvaad Yuva Connect ha ka atmanyaw tarik mentau benai. Shibenta ka jingrakhi ya ka National Sports Day arajar arpun rio. Kini ka program ka long shibenta na ka program ka bakerpang bala pelong ha kaling ki benta jong kari. Ha ka ba ki Samla kin yo ekalat ban yakren bat Menteri Rang Badu kari Narendra Modi halor ki mat ki bede ba ka kamile kai. Ya ka National Sports Day la jurakhi ha ka arp khandai tarik nailar man la Ustm kum ka dak ban kan mau buram ya ka sngi kha jong nong ile kai hockey ba paunam jong kari u Major Dhyan Chand Henry mentau snem ban pen klan ya ka jinge shimenta jong ki Samla ha ki kamile kai en penlong ni ka program kerpang ha ka arp nyau tarik nailar arajar arpun rio ha ka ba ki Samla kin yo alat ban ya shimenta ka jinge kren bat u menteri rang badu bat ban ai jing mot halor ki lat ban kentiu shushu ek kamile kai ha kari Hakani kesngi ki Samla ki nong ile kai ki wei ki riu pau kmat ak kamile kai kini kenduk lang lengba kini ke program Legit ru ya artli ki college naman la ka district ban penlong ya ka Khelo India Samvaad bat na Ri-Bhoi district legit ik Ri-Bhoi college bat ka USTM ban penlong ya kini ke program Kawai ni gijing temu bukong san juga ni ke program. Kalong ban pen i gijing kala ba gijing kiu shaprang juga kamile kai he India. Hakini ki khat arsnam bala letnyo. Hapo gijing ilam jong menteri rang badu Narendra Modi. Ha kejuk Khubor. Kani ke program in yo pan skap bi gijing ai jing mut bi gijing angnut jong ki Samla ban kentiu ki kamile kai ha ki por bandang wan ha keleng dari India.
The Office of Mera Yuva Bharat Ri-Bhoi and NSS units of Ri-Bhoi College and NSS units of USTM will be organizing Khelo India Samvaad come National Sports Day on the 27th of August 2026. On 29 August, we celebrate National Sports Day dedicated to the birth anniversary of the legendary hockey player and national icon Major Dhyan Chand ji. However, this year we are organizing a special program on 27 August, Khelo India Samvaad, dialogue with the Honorable Prime Minister, interaction program with the youths. This year, National Sports Day will be celebrated across the country on a grand scale with a focus on youth participation, sports development and nation building. With this spirit, the Khelo India Samvaad programs are being organized all across the country. The core idea is to bring together the country's youth, sports persons and the future of India on one common platform. Under this program, Yuva Connect will be organized in 2 colleges in every district across the country. In Ri-Bhoi district, USTM will host a Type A event where the participants will be visible on the Prime Minister podcast, and Ri-Bhoi College will host a Type B event whereby we will be viewing the Prime Minister's speech. Through these programs, young leader will get an opportunity to interact with sports persons, local representatives like MPs, MLAs, ministers, and local leaders. One of the key objectives of the program is to highlight the transformation in Indian sports ecosystem over the last 12 years under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and at the same time listen to the ideas and aspirations of our youths. The most special aspect of this program is that on 27 August, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji will virtually address more than 8 lakh young participants across 1,600 different locations in the country. The program will connect young people from different parts of the country through a common national platform. All the guests and youth participants will be present at the respective venues by 10 a.m. Following the Honorable Prime Minister's address, the program will focus on local youth interaction and engagement. A dedicated youth interaction session will be organized between the volunteers, the youths, and the local sports persons. The discussion will focus on the transformation of India's sport infrastructure over the last 12 years, the growth of the country's sports ecosystem with a special focus on Meghalaya's system. The local leader, MP or minister present at the venue will also address and engage with the youths. This will be followed by a youth samvad, a youth discussion of approximately 15 minutes. During this session, young participants will get an opportunity to share their ideas, suggestions and aspirations for the future of Indian sports and Viksit Bharat. The Yuva Samvad will focus on 4 key themes. First, strengthening the sports ecosystem by improving facilities, coaching and opportunities at the grassroots level. And second, nurturing talent for 2036 Olympics through scientific talent identification and athlete development. Upcoming national games in Meghalaya may also be highlighted during the Yuva Samvad. Third, enhancing youth leadership and youth participation in governance. And fourth, empowerment for Viksit Bharat by connecting young people with future-ready skills, volunteering and opportunities for nation building. All of these suggestions will be collected from the youth through a QR code which will be sent to the headquarters for further deliberation with the ministry. Alongside this, youth will also be encouraged to register themselves with My Bharat portal and participate in the Viksit Bharat Young Leaders Dialogue quiz round, which is presently live, as well as the other features available in My Bharat portal.
National Sports Day celebration haka kuntai 3 August tamba nakalian jongko government kalapan bet haka apinyo 3 August but haka ni kasni kandon kajing kaniga Khelo India Samvaad program haka bagi kena Samla kila ban ya interact bat Prime Minister Narendra Modi limba ke television di haka ni kindan atli ki college ki ban organize ya kani kawi gede ke Ustm but kawi gede ka Ri-Bhoi college ban yang ini nakal yang juga NSS unit Ri-Bhoi college but hakani gasmi gandan kading registration haka My Bharat portal but hadian kata ngini osgo ya kani kajing kren na Prime Minister kandan ru kajing ya liu jingmut ka interaction hapdeng ki Samla but kini ki sports person naka district but ki MLA but ki MP ru ki balapan wan hakani ka sngi ti kini ki baro kini rap ya ka sports haka district ka jongi but kum juru kani rap ki kena kumno bakin wan chakmat ban yen ban kren naka ban takari ka jai pundri takaka issue